Hello guys, this is Angie again. So long time to see you guys. And this is Angie. So I'm here again to share with you my recipe for today guys. So this is a delicious and easy and you can and it's great for holiday, for breakfast or for meal preparation or even in a morning weekday or weekday morning. So yeah, so this is two things only guys, but there are so much you can take like benefits of these things I share to you today guys, and you can see inside this video what I'm sharing today or talking to you right now guys. Yeah, so let's get started. And shout out all to my subscribers, thank you very much for liking, sharing, and please comment down below to all my videos guys, so that I know also what's your comments and I will try to answer. Okay, all right. So this is guys, and chop already my broccoli, so we need to wash them. So then after this one you put inside a small pot and blend for just 1 minute or half a minute. Don't make so overcooked guys. So here you go guys, so let it boiling and yeah, and cook this broccoli. So this is guys, is a red onion, small guys, and cut into dice pieces. Another ingredients to add with the vegetable, broccoli, and eggs. This one mixing eggs already guys with salt, black pepper. So it's time to add the broccoli that we blends just a while ago guys. Then a little bit stir fry. Next can add now the egg mixture guys. So here we go. So this is now my broccoli eggs pan fry guys, and if you wish to cook by oven, yeah, it's okay also guys, but this oven is so very much a time to use, but for me I just use the gas tube or induction. And yeah, here we go. So this one is serving for 1 or 2 persons guys. Yeah, and all this one have a good benefits to us, like heart health, bone health, and digestion, eye health. And yeah, same with the eggs, they are so much rich source of protein and source of vitamins and yeah, fibers, everything guys. So this is now guys, look there, I just make a thin slice guys. Alright, so that's it, my recipe that I shared to you today, guys. So here in my recipe is so simple, but it's really delicious also, guys. And if you fun to add cheese, you can add cheese, guys, and milk also. For me, I not so much fan cheese and sweet things, so just like that my recipe today, guys, but it's tasty also, guys. And yeah, so if you wanna try to make this recipe, so simple and delicious and yeah, easy to make, so you can feel free to check under the description box below the full recipe with the instructions and the simple ingredients, guys. And all these ingredients I used to do this recipe, guys, is we can take much vitamins. They are fibers and source of vitamins to our health, guys. And yeah, so that's it. And I feel free to write your comment down below so that I know also and can I read, and I will try to answer those comments, guys. And yeah, so see you next time again, guys. So I end my video here now, so stay kind to everyone, guys, out there. Yeah, so bye.